Welcome back to Handy Mandarin. Discover the fastest and easiest way to create your own expressions in Chinese freely. Let's continue Chinese grammar and logic class. We hope to hear your opinion to bring more content to our channel. Okay, now let's check that all the greeting together. That's 3 types. I said Chinese and English has the same idea. First, with the time, we have good morning, 早上好, 中午好. Unfortunately, we don't have this in English, but Chinese has 中午好. And 早上好 is early morning. Just make clear, this is early morning. And if we have the time period between 9 to 11, that is 上午好, right? So then 下午好, good afternoon, and 晚上好, that's the time. That's the greeting with time word. Then with the people, we have the appellation list before. Here, I gave you the new ones. Generally, you always hear people say hello. I think that lots of people learn this word as the first Chinese word because it's very easy to pronounce it and very polite, very friendly. But you should notice I put the 2 expressions here, 你 and 您. So 你好is clear, is you good. What is mean 您? Say actually that if you know the German or French, you should know for the you, French and German has 2 words. One is very general, one is very polite, very formal. Chinese has the same idea. We have the general one for 你 and 您, very respectable. So, in some in business or in very formal situation, you want to show people the big respect, you can use 您好. That's face-to-face greeting, very polite. And so when you greet people, I said you can put people before 你好 or after 你好. Then here, we choose after it is 您, 你, 2 options, 您好 or 你好, 王小姐, Miss Wang. So for example, in the business meeting, I meet that girl first, that lady first time, I will use 您好, show my respect to the partner. Then, if you already know each other, then say 你好, become closer relationship. Also very nice. Next one, we have time word and the people together. Here is the new expression 早. 早 means early, we already mentioned. So people also can say 你早, 您早. So you can imagine people only use this expression before 9 o'clock in the morning because it's early. Right? 早 means early, so this is shortcut. That's shortcutting expressions. So 你早 or 您早. 2 options. One very official, very formal. One is general. Then this is only time. Then time word here and with people. 总经理早. Oh, this is the easy way. So that's one usually colleagues call the general manager. They closer. So they have closer relationship. So that's why they use this short one as 总经理早. Of course, they can choose the more formal one. 总经理早上好. Right? Like the 2 expressions we already explained. So, this is all the greetings we explained. Now, let's check the small talk in greetings. So usually in the greeting, we have some phrases or called small talk, like goodbye, 再见, 再见. Then another one, before we go to sleep, we say good night. Also, this is some kind of goodbye. 晚安. 晚安. So 晚 is late. We already learned this. 晚安. 明天见. So 明天 means tomorrow. So see you tomorrow. 见 is verb, means see, meet. So 见, 明天见. That's the 明天 is more important information. That's why we stress it first. Then same idea is see you afternoon. 下午见. 下午见. Then see you later. 回头见. 回头见. You can use them all as the goodbye. Then next two phrases. 谢谢, thank you. Or you can say 谢谢你. You want to stress the you. So 谢谢你. We also can say that. So 谢谢你. Actually, we can put the something you want to thanks after the 谢谢. So, for example, thanks for your tea. I can say 谢谢你的茶. Or thanks for your coffee. 谢谢你的咖啡. See, you can put the content of the thank you, thanks. Just create your own expressions. So 谢谢你 is thank you. Or 谢谢你们 the plural form of you, right? So 谢谢你们. 谢谢他们 thank them. 对，谢谢他们。谢谢你的妈妈 thanks your mother. Thank your mother. So all this part we can change. We have the alternatives. Then the reply to thanks is 不用谢 and 不客气. Please memorize this pair. They are fixed. You cannot change. You can choose 不用谢 or 不客气. They are same, but you cannot use the other expressions. 谢谢. Then sometimes we need apologize. We should use 对不起. That is sorry. 对不起. Then answer to sorry is 没关系. 没关系. So please remember how to say sorry, and also you should know reply to the sorry, to other people's apology, right? So these two pairs, they're fixed. Please keep in your mind, because I met several people, lots of people mix them together. So since beginning, we stress this, and please just memorize them. Okay, now we finish all the explanation. Let's check the summary part. Make a proper greeting. We have 3 options as English. Time plus 好 good, right? 早上好, 下午好, 上午好. Then with people, we have 你好, 您好, and 你好李小姐, 您好王先生, 您好李女士. So 您 very formal, very polite. You can use it in like hotel or restaurant. This is very nice expressions when you receive your guests, your visitors. And then time word and the place and the people together. Then we can say 早上好李先生 or 李先生早上好. We can put before or after. Then this is the third type of the greetings. Now I think that with all the time words and all the appellations, now you really can create lots of expressions yourself easily, according to your work, according to your job and your needs. So that's our aim. Great. Now let me give you some Chinese custom and knowledge. We call it Chinese style of greeting. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you are the first to be notified when here a new video is released.